Prove it.
I am a federal judge.
Turn around! You're under arrest for obstruction.
I comply instantly.
Dispatch 2171 detained, start a supervisor.
Sir, this is your final warning. Drop the bags and place your hands on the hood. Officer Grant Jensen's voice cut through the quiet Scottsdale, Arizona mall parking lot. The man standing next to the dark gray Audi SUV remained calm, his hands clearly visible. Officer, I am loading my own purchases into my registered vehicle. Your body camera is active, and I need you to articulate the specific reasonable suspicion for this detention. Officer Jensen, 6 years on the force, ignored the request, convinced he had caught a thief. He had no idea the man he was addressing, dressed casually in chinos and a polo, was Judge Victor Sterling, a sitting federal magistrate who had spent the last 15 years presiding over civil rights and police misconduct cases. Judge Sterling, 48, knew the drill. He reached slowly into his wallet, first presenting his state driver's license. Jensen scowled. Sterling held up his key fob and clicked the lock, flashing the Audi's lights. Satisfied? This is my car. I've provided ID. Am I free to go, or are you continuing this unlawful seizure? Jensen, unwilling to lose face in front of onlookers, doubled down. You're being difficult. I now have reasonable suspicion there could be stolen merchandise in the vehicle. I need to search your SUV. Sterling's eyes hardened. Requesting a search without probable cause, officer? I advise you to consult established case law. Asserting my Fourth Amendment rights is not grounds for criminal suspicion. Jensen flushed crimson. Are you a lawyer? Sterling replied, quiet and deadly serious. I am a federal judge.
The revelation stunned Jensen, but instead of de-escalating, he chose disaster. Prove it, he spat. Sterling calmly produced his federal court identification, complete with the official seal. Jensen, panicked and trapped, made his final, career-ending decision. Turn around! You're under arrest for obstruction! Sterling complied instantly, offering no resistance as the handcuffs clicked shut. At the precinct, veteran officer Maya Cruz began the booking process. Upon cataloging Sterling's belongings, she paused, holding the federal ID card, its holographic seal undeniable. She looked from the card to the unmoving judge and immediately marched to the watch commander's office.
Lieutenant Ben Wallace, upon seeing the credentials, knew the department was facing a catastrophic liability. He immediately sought out Judge Sterling. Judge Sterling, I apologize profusely. You are being released immediately. Sterling was uncuffed, his calm demeanor never wavering. Lieutenant, I require every piece of documentation related to this incident, the 911 call, the dash cam, the body cam footage, and the arrest report, delivered to me tonight. Recognizing the non-negotiable tone of a man who intended to dismantle the legal foundations of the arrest, Wallace guaranteed compliance. Within days, the parking lot security footage went viral. The ensuing federal lawsuit cited unlawful arrest and racial profiling, naming Officer Jensen and the city. The evidence was irrefutable. Jensen had detained a man simply for loading his own vehicle. An internal investigation revealed Jensen's history of disproportionate stops involving minority citizens. 6 weeks later, Jensen was terminated for cause. 9 months after the incident, the city settled the lawsuit for an undisclosed amount, reported by insiders to be $450,000. Judge Sterling, stating he sought institutional change, not compensation, donated the entire sum to police reform organizations, ensuring that one unjust detention forced genuine systemic accountability.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video for justice to prevail in our society. Thank you.